Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve a practice question about straight line graphs. So, for the x value of -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, draw a table of value for each of the following equation. So, we can draw first for A. Let's try again. Okay, we got x, and this is y. And when x equal to -1, what is y? And then we need continue after -1, we got 0. Continue after 0, we got 1. After 1, we got 2. And last, we got 3. So look at it, y equal to x plus 5. So y, let's substitute -1 plus 5. So this equal to 4. So there's go on. So substitute x into this equation. So this gonna be 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I will make it a lot of line until z. Let's make it proper line. So this for all x. 1. Okay, this is B, C, D, the equation, E equation, EF equation, G. After G we got H, I, and Z. So I will make it. So this is x, and this is each value of y for each equation here. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. So when x equal to -1, we will write it here. When we substitute with -1, substitute with 0, with 1, after 1, with 2, and with 3. Okay, let's substitute it. So when x equal to -1, substitute it to here. So this is gonna be 1. When x equal to 0, we substitute it. It's gonna be -1. 1, we substitute it here. -2 times 1, and then -1 is gonna be -3. 2, we substitute it to this equation. Change it the value of x, gonna be -5 and -7. Next for C, we substitute x into this equation when x equal to -1. So it's gonna be 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. So try to substitute it. Next for D, we will substitute it to this equation. So minus x, -2. So -1 minus by 2. It's gonna be -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Special for E, x equal to 4. We will do it later. So we will continue for F here. F also, okay, y equal to -2. So for every x, the y is gonna be -2. It's gonna be -2, -2, -2, -2, and -2. Next for the G, we'll substitute to this value when x equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be -2 times -1 and then -1/2. So this is gonna be 1.5 and then -0.5 -2.5. We substitute it again. Is -4.5 and -6.5. H, we substitute the value of x to find the y. So it's gonna be minus 1.2 minus 0.8 minus 0.4 0. So 0 is 0.4. Next, for I, substitute this value of x to find the y. So it's gonna be minus 1 minus 0.5 0 0.5 and 1. Last, substitute to this value x equal to minus 1 0 1 2 and 3. So it's gonna be 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1.5 minus 2.5 and minus 3.5. Next, for e, we will make it special here. This is for e. So this for x and y. This is reverse. X equal to 4. So for x equal to 4, all of them for the value of y can be any value of y are correct. Example, if we would like to make it minus 1 0 1 2 3, or we can make it another number like minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 or 0, they are correct for each or any five values of y are correct. Next, draw and label graph a to e. Okay, a to e in the equation 1 on one set. Okay, so we are going to draw it. This is for a to e. Let's see. So the x is only from minus 1 to minus 3. So we can draw it on here. So this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let us check it, the highest value of y. Here we got y until 8 and minus 7. Okay. Start with the y. 8. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So a little bit here down. Okay, this is the first graph. I need to straight line to 0. Okay, so almost. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. I think there it is. So let's proceed for A. When x equal to minus 1, here x equal to minus 1, y equal to 4. So first gonna be here. And let us find it one more point. Okay. Let us pick x equal to 3. So y equal to 8. X equal to 3. Y equal to 8. So here. Okay, we got it. So let us draw it. Make it a ruler. This is my ruler. There it is. Straight line from these 2 points. go. So this is for A equation. So this is A. Next, B. Let's find the 2 points. So let's try with x equal to 0. So y equal to minus, okay, x equal to 0, y minus 1 here. And next, let us use x equal to and y equal to minus 5. X equal to y equal to minus 5. Okay, here. So let us make it the straight line from these 2 points. Okay, there we go. This is for B. Next, for C. X equal to minus, okay, let's make it x equal to 1. So y equal to minus 3. When x equal to 1, y equal to minus 3 here. Then let's try x equal to 3, y equal to 1. So x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Okay, here. Okay, we got it. 2 points. Let us make it the straight line. Okay, this for C. Next, D. Let's make it when x equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1 here. A, B, C, D. X equal to minus 1. Okay, when x equal to 3. Or let's make it x equal to y equal to minus 4. X equal to y equal to minus 4 here. Let us make it the straight line. Okay, we got it. This is for D. Next is E. Okay, x, all of them equal to 4. X equal to 4. Where is 4? Okay, here. With any value of y. So the line is gonna be all of x here. This is D. Yeah, E. Look at there. For x equal to 5, each y are gonna be correct. Can be y equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 until 9, or even from 0 until negative number. These are correct. Next, let us make it another set for F to Z. So the biggest x is 1, 2, 3. Y is, okay, it's only point. Okay, there we go. Let us draw it. Okay, let's draw the graph. It's x, it's y, okay, 0. So we continue this 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and minus 8. So let's start with the first one. So y equal to minus 2. So y equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2 here. So every x gonna be correct. Y equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is for F. Next process for F, G. Okay, let's find the easiest number. So when x equal to 0, y equal to minus 0.5 here. Next number, when x equal to 1, let us pick 1, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2.5, x equal to 1, it's 2.5 here. Okay, let us make it straight line. Is for, okay, GH. Okay, we got 0 here. Okay, when x equal to y is 0. So x equal to y 0 is here. Next, when x equal to what's the easiest one? Okay, 3. 3y equal to 0.4. Okay, perhaps around here. Okay, we got 2 points. Let us just draw the straight line of it. GH, after H we go I. Okay, we got when x equal to minus 1. Look at 1. Y equal to minus 1. X equal to 1. Okay, we got it here, this point. And when x equal to 3. Y equal to 1. Okay, we got it, this 2 point. Let us draw just straight line. F, H, I. Next, Z, Z. So, okay, the easiest when x equal to okay, minus 5. When x equal to minus 5, y equal to 0.5. Perhaps around here. And next, when x equal to 1, y equal to minus, okay, here. Okay, we got it, these 2 points. Is for G. Okay, number 2 done. Look at number 3. Find the equation of the parallel line and passing through point 0.12. So we got the equation of the parallel line. So first, let us find this gradient. Remember, the gradient is m equal to y equal to mx plus y. So which m equal to gradient. Okay, if the parallel line, the gradient of the first line and the second line are equal. So if this is 1, so another also is gonna be 1. So let us write it to the equation y equal to mx plus c. So we got y here as minus 2, m is 1, x is 0, plus c. So minus 2, 0 plus c, so c equal to minus 2. So we got it. So y equal to m. What is m? The gradient is 1. So we can just write it x. And c is minus 2. Okay, there we go. Next, number 4. Are the following pairs line parallel? So let us see it. by the gradient. So the gradient is 3, m equal to 3, and here m equal to 1. So this is no. They are not parallel. B, the gradient. Okay, m equal to 1 over 2. Here also m equal to 1 over 2. So this is yes. Next, okay, m equal to minus 3. Here also m equal to minus 3. So this is yes. Okay, let me rewrite it. This is yes. Next question. Okay, this is look minus m equal to 0.8 and here m equal to 8. So this no. Okay, if we got 2, we need to make it y only. So y equal to minus 3 over 2x plus 2. So this m is minus 3 over 2 and this m equal to 3 over 2. So they are no. Here also we are going to do the same thing. We will make it y equal. So this is y equal to 3 over 2 plus 2. 3 over 2x, I mean. So the gradient m is gonna be 3 over 2 and here m equal to minus 3 over 2. So they are no parallel. Next, y equal to 8 and y equal to 0. This is yes. Why? Because all of them are horizontal line. Here also yes. Why? Because all of them are vertical lines. Next, find the gradient of each of the following lines. So first, this gradient. So let's make it, this is x1 and then y1. So to find the gradient, we just need to find the difference. They change it in y and they change it in x. So y, this is 6 minus y2 divided by 4 minus 0. So m equal to 4 over 4 or m equal to 1. Next for b, y equal to minus 3 minus with 0 and then 3 minus by 0. So y equal to minus 3 over 3. So y equal to minus 1. Next for the c, okay, they provided as 2 lines. So y equal to minus 2 minus by 1 and then 1 minus by minus 2. So it's going to be minus 3 and then divided by 1 minus by 2. It's going to be 3. So y equal, not y, m, sorry, gradient. So this is m. So it's also m. So m equal to minus 1. There we go. So this is just kind reminder. I will write it here, the formula. So to find the gradient, so the change in y divided by change in x. Okay, we will continue for E. Here, so m equal to y is 4 minus by minus 4 divided by 4 minus by x is going to be 0. So gradient m this is gonna be minus 4 minus by 4 is gonna be 8 divided by 4, so the gradient is 2. Next for f. Okay, look at it, this is the straight line. So if the straight line, so the gradient is gonna be 0. Here also the straight line for the g, or let us just prove it. So y equal to, all of them are 7. So m equal to 7 minus 7 divided by any x that you like. Let's make it 2 minus 1. So m equal to 0 minus 1. So m equal to 0. However, if this is a vertical line, like m equal to y is any number, it's gonna be like here minus 3 minus by minus 3. So 1 minus 2. So m equal to minus 1 divided by 0. So the gradient of the vertical line is undefined. Okay, let's see the point of here. So this is 1. So x is gonna be minus 8 and y is 1. Here x is gonna be 8 and y is 2. Okay, there we go. We got it. So m equal to, change it in x, 2 minus 1 minus by 8 minus by minus 8. So it's gonna be 1 over 16 as the gradient. Next, determine the gradient m and the y-intercept c. I would like to remind you, so the equation is going to be y equal to mx plus c. So this m is 3, equal to 3, and c equal to minus 4. Next, m equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 1. Next, from here, m equal to, here in front of x, minus 1 over 2, and c equal to 5. Next question, m equal to 1 and then c equal to 0. Next, m equal to 1 over 2 while c equal to 1 over 4. Next here, so m equal to 4 over 5 while c equal to minus 2. Next, g. Okay, so m equal to 0 and then c equal to 7. Here m equal to minus 3 and x equal to c equal to 0. Next here, we need to change it first into the equation. So it's gonna be y equal to minus x divided by 3 plus by 14 divided by 3. Okay, we got it. So m equal to minus 1 over 3 while c equal to 14 over 3. Here also we need to change it. So y equal to minus x minus by 4. So m equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 4. Here, okay, it's already, so m equal to 1 and then c equal to minus 4. Next, okay, we just move it the y, so y equal to minus 2x plus 5. So we got it, m equal to minus 2 and c equal to 5. Okay, let's change it into y only. Multiply by 2, it's gonna be 2x plus y equal to minus 20. We change it y equal to minus 2x minus by 20. Okay, we got it. M, the gradient is minus 2, and then the y-intercept is minus 20. Okay, C, determine the equation of each of the following graph. So we need to find it first, the gradient. After gradient, we will find the y-intercept here. Y-intercept. We'll find y-intercept. Okay, we will continue in the next part. Thank you.